Hello students, today we will study passage of material through Comber machine. In this topic we will study how the material is passing through Comber machine. As you know, we are getting saliva from combing machine and we are feeding lab in the Comber machine. So we will study its passage, that how the lab sheet passes through various parts of the Comber machine. This is the lab which is fed on Comber machine. This lap is resting on two lap rollers. These are the lap rollers, one and another lap roller. These are fluted lap rollers on which the lap is resting. The flutes are made so as to avoid the slippage of the lap over the fluted roller, so that lap can be fed at a constant speed without any slippage. So how this lap is passing through various parts of the Comber machine, that will be shown in today's lecture. So lap is unwound due to rotation of the lap rollers, and then this is the lap sheet which is passing over centric shaft, and then it is passing between feed roller and bottom nipper. It is passing between feed roller and bottom nipper. This is feed roller. This is feed roller which removes intermittently as per the design of the machine. In every cycle of combing, 5 to 6 mm of lap sheet is fed, and this is bottom nipper, and this is top nipper. This is top nipper. So lap sheet is passed, and this is the half lap, which is containing metallic wire points on half of its surface, and nippers are going forward and backward. They're opening and closing as per the combing cycle which we have studied yesterday. In this diagram, the nippers are open now and they're in forward position. And in this position, top comb is combing the material. So this is the top comb. This is top comb. This top comb is combing the material, lap sheet, and lap sheet is moving like this. Now it is passing between the pair of detaching rollers. So these are two pair of detaching rollers. And this roller is used to clean the top detaching roller. Whenever the fibers are clinging to the top detaching rollers, it is cleaned by this roller. These are two bottom detaching roller, this and this. So the lap sheet is passing through the detaching roller, and then it is going like this in the web pan, and Now it is passing through the pair of roller, and then this web sheet is converted to sliver by trumpet. This is the trumpet which is used on card and draw frame also. And then this material is further condensed by the table calendar rollers and sliver is formed. So this is the passage of material. So this diagram shows you one head. On the comber machine, 8 such heads are there. So 4 heads make one sliver and another 4 heads make second sliver. So we are feeding 8 laps on the comber and we are getting 2 slivers as output. This is the brush roller which is used to clean the half lap. So now you must be very clear that how the lap is passing through the feed roller and then nippers, then top comb, and then detaching roller, and then to trumpet, and then table calendar roller, and sliver is formed. So in this way, we are feeding 8 laps to the comber and getting 2 slivers as output. So I think now the passage of the material through comber machine is clear. Thank you.